I'm gonna explain to you what to do in case TikTok gets banned because I'm an engineer. Option number one is that they'll only ban it from stores such as the Apple Store and Google Play Store. In this event, you have two options. Download it off of Canada's or Mexico's store by connecting to a VPN, setting the location to a different country, and changing your internal location in your phone and your settings to whatever country it is. And it'll show up in your Play Store and then you can download it. Another option is that you can download the APK file, which is the same thing that you're downloading from the Play Store, but you don't need to download it off a Play Store. You can just go online to a website and download application, like app installation files off of a website. It doesn't have to be off of an Apple Store. It doesn't have to be off of a Play Store. If you have an Android, you can already do this. You can install any application without going through the Play Store. You can download it off of a website. So you'd be able to go to TikTok's website and just download it from there. If you have an iPhone, you'll have to jailbreak it first, then you can do this. So for an iPhone, it'll be easier to do the location change. The other thing they might do instead is kind of what like Russia, North Korea, China do to block, like, you know how China doesn't want Facebook to be allowed to be used in China. So they have their own like apps they use there. The way they do that is by actually forbidding the entire internet connection, like through a wire, to even access like the servers like of the entire country. Like so in China, they're people's computers and they're all connected to big wires that go like under the ocean. That's what the internet is. And specifically the IP hubs, which are like where all the wires like interconnect inside like each country. Like for example, there's hubs in China, in America, etc. Inside those hubs, the government can restrict access to certain like IPs and stuff like that. So in case that happens, you would have to go and access the entire app through a VPN, but there's not going to be like issues downloading the app in the first place. Like if you have it, you already have it. And the thing is, if you don't want to use one of those VPNs like NordVPN or whatever, you can set up your own VPN. You can do this by buying like a server that's set in a different country and just routing your traffic through there. And it's not as hard as it sounds, and this is cheaper than like using an actual VPN. Like I get a DigitalOcean server that's like located somewhere outside of the US. I don't know if DigitalOcean provides like outside of the US servers actually, but like there's a lot of places that do. Okay, the final option, if all else fails, I will code like a TikTok app. It wouldn't have the video editor. That's the hard part of making an app like TikTok. It's not gonna have any advertiser support either. But like worst comes to worst, I'll fucking do it.